Hey traders, quick update on ONDO. It's up about 2% in the last 24 hours, now trading around 26 cents. But here's the real question. Is this the start of a bullish move or just a trap? If volume picks up, we could see more upside. But if not, this might just be a fake pump. So stay alert, don't FOMO, and watch the levels. What do you think? Breakout or trap? ONDO crypto trading signals are in. Solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.